Welcome to today's meditation. This is the last of the 7 archangels meditations that we're going to be doing, and this one is Ramiel, different than Ramiel. Ramiel, it gets confused with Ramiel, and they are really different angels. One is considered to have fallen, the other not. So we're going for the guy who has not fallen, Ramiel. He is the bearer of divine vision and bringer of joy, mercy, eternal compassion. So we are going to, as always, say the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We're going to go into a guided meditation, and we're going to welcome in the power of the divine carried on the wings of Ramiel. I gotta watch. And just absorb the mercy and the eternal compassion. And should there be any messages that need to be interpreted for us, any divine visions, we will be willing to see them. And we again will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Let's begin by taking a deep breath, closing our eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and scan your body. And notice if anywhere there is tightness or dis-ease, and ask it to relax. Bring your attention to it. Let it go. Release that block. Notice how quickly it just melts away. Bringing our attention to these points helps them to let go and relax even deeper. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us now bring our attention to the top of our head and our third eye, on our forehead between our eyebrows. Notice the slight vibration there. This is where the divine mercy comes in, the eternal compassion, and the divine visions. Let us follow this into our head. Follow this beautiful stream as it goes into our necks, down our spine, to the very bottom of our spine. Watch it follow through and at the bottom of our feet. Notice this beautiful divine energy has a slightly different color to it than what we're accustomed to seeing. It isn't something that we easily recognize. It is very distinct. That is because it carries so many divine messages to us. Let us bring our attention now to our second chakra, our dantian, just below our belly button. And in this place, let us stir our spirit and start to rise up so we can lift up and sit in this beautiful divine energy. Let us pull up now from just below our belly button to just above our belly button. Rise your energy up. Feel it moving further up to your chest. Moving gently into your throat. Following this divine energy that's coming in, we move up into our heads, and we invite ourselves to arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker. And as we step up and into the infinity, with perfect joy and peace around us, we once again say, as I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Let us sit here and absorb any divine visions, any compassion that is being carried to us from the divine through this angel. Let us give thanks and be grateful for these few moments we had to rest and renew. And as we pull our spirit back down into our body very peacefully, very gently settling back in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for joining me this morning. We will start a different series tomorrow. I hope you can join us again. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye now.